Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be working from the wall plate height up to the roof, right? So the first thing we need to do, right, to come over here to wall plate level, and we need to add a wall plate, right? The first thing that I'll need to do, right, is to come to my framings, wooden frame, and add one of these timbers, right? Add one of these timbers. Okay, update is to add to put these timbers inside this project and then edit them. Let's see. Okay, load and close. Okay, there you are. So one thing I'm gonna do, right, to change its name, right? Duplicate and then give it a wall plate name. Yep. And then let's take a look at the wall plate. It's supposed to be 114 by 38, right? That's the size of the wall plate I'm going to use. And check you. Alright, another wall plate. No, escape. Wall plate. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it from, I'm gonna start modeling my wall plate. Yeah, and to here. So the next thing is to align them, right? Wall plate, I need to align it from here to here. It must come here. Yep, I'm done with my wall plate. Let me delete you. Okay, here's my wall plate, right? Sitting perfectly there. Okay, I can also show you via here's my wall plate. Fine. Then make it smooth. I prefer looking at it from this. Here's my wall plate. Okay. Here's my wall plate, right? Okay, let's go back. Since I did my wall plate, the next thing I need to model is the roof, right? Roof base. Okay. Let me use this basic roofs. Overhead of 600. Okay. Let's make it 21 degrees. Okay, there you are. Yep. Okay, perfect. Right. The reason why the roof is transparent like this, what I did, I came here, I made it transparent. I change it to, let me change it to any type of overhang. Let's make it 1, right? and then I made it to be transparent, right? I change it, I adjust this transparent so I can see what's going on underneath, right? Yeah, then the next thing, right, is to add roof trusses. Okay, let me load one, right? Usually I load like this. I usually open a folder, trusses. I usually use this truss, right? Yeah, I use this. I avoid using this, right? I usually use this one, and I'll show you why, right? Let me load it. From here to here. Oh, let's look at you. Okay, the way it's appearing, I don't like it. So next thing we need to adjust is no. Okay, first of all, right, we need to set out our beams, right? Let's use you. I have to duplicate, right? Let me make this 152 by 38. Okay, let's see here. Let's make it 38. 152. Apply, right? And then let's duplicate another one. Let's say 114 by 38. Right. Okay, and then let's start attaching, applying them to this there. Okay, and then the vertical one. Let's make you, and then the diagonal one. The center one, the bottom one, right? Bottom one. Let's set the frame 152. We're done. So let's go to, so this is how it looks, right? And then okay, set it to fine. Should show, have a smooth thing. So one thing I'm going to do, right? So it needs to come to take this shape, right? So the first thing, one thing I'm gonna do, I have to select it, right? Come here, attach to top or bottom, right, of what you're gonna select it, and then let's select here. Why isn't it? Come here, attach, Okay, something is wrong, right? Let's see. The reason why it's wrong is not level, it's not straight. And then let's come here again, select, attach. You can do it from any view. It has attached, right? So one thing I'll do now is to hide this element. Then I'll start to delete what I don't need. Delete, right? And then unpin, delete you. Have to unpin it, delete you, right? And come this side, select this one, unpin, delete, unpin, delete. You have to unpin it first to delete, guys. Delete, right? So let's come back here. Oh, and then another thing what I didn't offset this thing. It's supposed to be 600, right? Let's come to wall plate. Then I'll have to move it 300. Okay, let's keep it at 300. Move to 300. You move to 300. Move to 300. I made it 600. Sorry. Move again to. Okay. Then move it to 300. Right, and then so let's go back here, right? So one thing I'll need to do again, touch it, then I move it here, select it, I move it here. I have to delete you too. Delete. Let's look for you here too. Touch. Delete. Right. So this looks like a normal roof right now. I'm a roof truss now, right? Even though they're not that pretty, but it is actually a normal roof. And then can highlight it, bring it here, and hide element. So another thing that I'll need to do is to attach this. What I usually do is move you up to here. And hide you. Okay. Okay. Now we need to do apply this everywhere. Okay. The next thing we need to do, we need to apply it to the rest of the roof, right? We need to come here, right? So what I usually do, right? I need to divide this into equal, especially from here to here. You need this type of roof. So I'll have to come here, right? And to detail lines, right? From here to here, and again from here to here, then here the center. So one thing I need to do, I need to align this to the center of this, right? So again, I need to find the center between this line and this line, and then let's find the midpoint. And then I'll have to copy, okay, delete, shouldn't. Usually I'll copy this, copy from center to center, and then again copy this. You need to mirror it, and then you copy this from this center to this center. And then maybe I should copy it to the, okay, let me delete you. Copy it from here. Copy you from here to the edge. Right, now we have our domain. Then we'll need proofs from here, which I'll show you on the next lesson, guys. See you in the next lesson.